Hey everyone, welcome back to cooking class slash health class. So I want to talk to you today about this. Do you know what this is? You're right, garlic. Garlic is amazing. And I know some of you, we've been chopping it up and you've been putting it on some of the things we've been cooking. And some of you even tried it raw. It's kind of hard to get down when it's raw, right? But the amazing thing about garlic is garlic is antibacterial, it's antiviral, and it's antifungal. And so it fights all these things. And when I get sick, whenever I just feel like I'm getting sick, my throat is hurting, or I just don't feel good, I chop up a bunch of garlic. So here I chopped up a bunch of garlic here. And I am going, how I get it down, because if you eat it raw like this, some people can do it, but it's pretty difficult. I bought this beautiful, beautiful avocado. Do you see this avocado? It's so pretty. I love avocado, as you guys know. I know some of you do. I'm going to get a fork, hold on. And I just take the avocado, I have a piece of bread here, and you can put mayonnaise on here, veganese, anything that you like to put on your bread. And then on top of there, or even without it, you can just smash up some avocado and just put it on your bread. There we go, just smash, 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 and put it on your bread. Now I guess you couldn't see, but ta-da! Just put it on your bread, and then take some of your garlic and sprinkle it on there. Now, I've gotten to where I can put a lot of garlic on there, and I love it. But you might want to start slow and just put a few on there for a while. But garlic is the thing, right? Garlic, if it's antiviral, that's kind of what we want to do. It's antivirus, right? So we want to eat a lot of that to fight off viruses. Now I put something else on it, and I'm going to grab this. This is special. I don't know if you have it at your house, but it's something that I also love that will make this taste even better. And it is called nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is not like the yeast where, that helps the bread rise. It's not that kind of yeast. This is a nutritional yeast. It's very high in B vitamins and protein. In fact, some nutritionists say that it has as much, if the right serving amount, has as much as a steak, as much protein and B vitamins as steak. So I don't know. You have to look that up. You might have to Google that. But I love it. It tastes kind of cheesy. It kind of has a cheesy flavor. And so when I put that over my avocado and my garlic toast, it kind of gives it a kind of a cheesy flavor, and the garlic isn't so strong. So this is just toast, avocado, chopped up garlic, and some nutritional yeast. Some people like to add a little salt on top, or any kind of other seasoning if you want to, or some vegetables, some tomatoes or lettuce or whatever you want. But enjoy eating. All right, and wash your hands. Wash your hands.